Welcome back to Roam Tips. If you're enjoying these videos, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Remember, all the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is based on my personal experience with the product. Today, we're looking at SecureSafe, found at www.SecureSafe.com. This platform presents itself as a solution for storing sensitive information, keeping it safe and accessible. But is it the right fit for your digital security needs? Let's delve a little deeper. SecureSafe offers a range of features designed to protect your data. These include strong encryption, two-factor authentication, and a password manager. The encryption they utilize is intended to safeguard your files from unauthorized access, even if the company's servers were to be compromised. Furthermore, the two-factor authentication adds another layer of security, requiring a secondary verification code in addition to your password. This helps prevent unauthorized logins, even if someone manages to obtain your password. Their integrated password manager can also help you create and store complex, unique passwords for all your online accounts, minimizing the risk of credential compromise. Navigating the SecureSafe interface is fairly straightforward. Uploading and organizing your files is designed to be a user-friendly process. They boast client-side encryption, meaning your data is encrypted before it leaves your device. This adds an extra layer of protection, as your information is never stored unencrypted on their servers. They also offer various storage plans, catering to different needs and budgets. From individuals seeking a secure space for personal documents to businesses managing sensitive client data, SecureSafe aims to provide scalable options. However, as with any service, it's important to consider the potential drawbacks. While SecureSafe emphasizes its security features, it's crucial to remember that no system is entirely impenetrable. It's wise to consider your specific security requirements and evaluate whether SecureSafe's offerings align with your needs. Doing your research, comparing similar services, and reading user reviews can provide valuable insights. Ultimately, the best way to determine if SecureSafe is the right solution for you is to weigh the pros and cons carefully and consider how it fits into your overall digital security strategy. Remember, a multi-layered approach to online security is always recommended.